I noticed also while doing the last video, when I click on the edit and do some update here, it works fine, except when there is, for example, unlisted and do the update, and there is a problem on the database. So when I go on the database and check the visibility here, you can see the options is unlisted. There's a mistake here. So I'll fix it by doing the migration, but let me do something first, which is delete all videos, so we can get rid of all folders as well. So I'll delete this one, this one, this one, this one, all the videos, and then I will go to the migration to the database, go to the database, and then to go to the migration for that table. Oops, that's it. So migration for for the videos. Okay, so for the videos, and then we go to the visibility, and we can see clearly it's wrong. So I list it like this, and then I will do PHP artisan migrate fresh, so we can recreate the tables again. So now if I go again, and of course I need to create an account, I will do it offline. So I am logged in now. I don't have any videos. Of course you can set here a message if you want. You can say go to all videos on the blade, and we can say here for each videos, we can check here if all videos, if videos, for example, if videos dash count, for example, we can say, and if can keep this one here, we can keep the for each inside, and can say else, we can say else here. So if there is no video, we can mention, put something like no videos uploaded. You see if this is working. Yep, this is working. And then I can keep this one here and see if it is working. Yeah, still working. So let me try and upload one file and see how's the update is working. So I can say learn HTML, and then save. See unlisted, so it's working fine so far. So if I go now, let me just wait for the processing, and then I will go to the all videos and see, I can see the videos here and everything looks fine. Another thing also I want to achieve before moving to the player or doing the player is basically when we upload the file, if you remember, then there will be a folder called videos temp. There is a file, the same file will be there. I want to delete it, and that basically we can kick it off from the jobs. So when the video is converted for streaming, you see in this function or in this job, then I would like to, after everything is done, maybe at the end we can say delete temp video. So we can do storage, can add the storage from support, eliminate, and then we can say disk, and then we can select the videos temp disk, and then we can say delete, and we know that this is coming from this video, and the video has a path in the database which contains the name of this file. So let me try this one and see if this will work. Hopefully it works. So storage disk, this is the disk, and then delete this one. So let's go and try and keep an eye on the temp. So I already delete all file folders here, if you notice. So let me try again and upload another video and see. So let me try this video. So now if you see, the video is here, it's uploaded. So let's see if everything's okay. After processing, then this should be deleted. So let's see whether it will work or not. 1, 2, 3. So it's not deleted. So I stopped the video just to troubleshoot what's going on. So what I did, basically, I just add a log here in Laravel that it will log if the folder or the file is deleted, plus we need to restart the queue. So basically we have to restart the queue. So if I go here inside, so to get the new jobs, so I have to restart the queue. Something wrong here, but anyways, so let's go and run the job again. Okay, let me just clear the databases or any failure, and there's no jobs here. So basically any update, we have to go and restart an update in the jobs, we have to restart the queue. So let's try again and see. I will select this file, okay, and then of course it will be uploaded here. So let's see, once continues to 100%, then this should be deleted, and then we should hopefully receive a log also in laravel.log. So let me just wait on this. It's kind of big file. So now if you see, it is deleted. So that was the reason. So if I go now to the log, I should be able to see hopefully something about this. Forget to just clear. Yeah, so this folder or this file was deleted successfully, or deleted from the video as we specified in the job. So this is completed. I think we are ready now to move to the player.